Hey everyone, this is Carl with StoneHouse Foundation Repair. One thing I don't get to do enough of, and I've been wanting to do for a while, is just to express what we're about, what I'm about, our beliefs, and just to let everybody know, this is how we are because this is the way we are. I'm the business owner. I own StoneHouse Foundation Repair. We're a little bit different than a lot of companies. I know every company says that, right? But we are family based. We love our customers. We treat our customers with respect. We do everything that we can to make sure our customers are, one, taken care of, and two, we make sure if you have an insurance policy that should be covering some of your money out of pocket, we try our hardest we fight for that, because in our mind, you pay for insurance, you pay for that coverage. It's the insurance responsibility to pay that money. So we help in that aspect. But we're just a family business here in San Antonio, doing what's right and just growing. We're in an everyday grind like everybody else, just trying to make ends meet. Our business is booming. It's just like, it's amazing what we've done in the past just few years alone. But it shows you when you do things right and you take care of your customer, where things can go. And I just want to let y'all know that we truly appreciate every single one of you, whether you use us or not. It doesn't matter to me whether you use us or not. I just want to make sure that we come across as the most professional company that we can be, and we do things the right way. We're not always going to be on price with everybody, but we genuinely love everybody that we get to meet and visit with and give estimates to. So I just wanted to talk about that, something I've been wanting to talk about for a while, and just put my feelings out there, let people know who we are and what we're about. So we appreciate y'all.